In front of me I've got Philips speaker. In this video I'll show you how to update the software. In the beginning, go to Philips support website and search for latest drivers for your speaker. Download them and install them on this external drive. Once you've done it, take a look at the back of the speaker and plug the external drive to your speaker. Next, press and hold the DBB button for 8 seconds. Your speaker will automatically search for latest update on the external drive. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.